This is the first time that we are going to mobilize our higher education institutions through our regional offices, who will determine higher education institutions with ITE programs in the various localities in the Philippines that are amenable and qualified to work during the 2025 elections.
That we can enhance democracy through modern technology. We enhance and we utilize modern technology by utilizing and tapping the talents of Filipinos, especially in the field of information technology and computer.
Rest assured that CHED is with COMELEC in ensuring that elections remain secure and with integrity and trust. Kami ay kaagapay ninyo sa pagbuo ng isang matagumpay na halalan ngayong 2025.